y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Nadia, in the building. So today I'm gonna be playing with Baby Slime Slime. Y'all probably can see me. Hold on, give me that lamp. I need that lamp. Plug it up right there. Back. Let's go. Why did you even take the lamp? Why did you even take the lamp?
Because I said it's deep, but I was watching.
Then get from under the covers. And you wasn't even watching it.
And I'm downstairs.
I was not watching nothing downstairs. Because I didn't hear nothing. Auntie baby. So I'm gonna be playing with this on. Yeah. Let's go. Let me act like I'm happy. Hi guys, welcome to my slime channel. Ooh, let me see. I got more slime. Let me open the Easter egg face. This is my shiny. LeBron James. So I'm gonna show you all the slimes I have this Easter egg. So I have the purple wave slime. The purple wave slime. Can you see it? Like, please. Okay, that's that purple slime. That's right. And then we got pink slime. Then we have another pink slime. Then we have blue slime. Then we have red slime. Then we have another red slime. Where's the other one? Then we have green slime. Yeah, so the other one's on the bed. Other two sizes. So really I have 10 slimes. I'm just playing. This is not slime, y'all. Oh. This is like bubbles and stuff like that, skincare. See, I'm just playing stuff. So I like to play with the red one. Ooh. I want you, I need you, oh God, please. Well, look who we have. POV trying to be a slime professional. Guys, I'm gonna play with my slime. Hope you don't mind hitting the like button. Or the subscribe button, you know? Or maybe you can even do the bell. I'm sorry it's an extra. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. But I just want you to do it. Please do it so I can get a 1K. Don't you like me to hit 1K? Yeah. Let's hit 1K. Now let's play with the slime. Good lighting, right, guys? Is it good lighting? Anyway, sorry guys. I didn't mean to do that. It's just my cringe girl era. Anyway, I'm infected. You don't have to. Please stop. I'm just infected with the arrow. Alright, so that was my sister. That was not me. Please stop. That was not me, guys. That was somebody else. I did not say ooh. I did not do the NPC. I did not do nothing. That was not me. Yeah, we just quickly changed back because you were doing too much. Right, y'all? That was a good one. I think I might like this one better. No. Happy. Yeah, that was something else. I did not say ooh or nothing like that, because ooh makes me just cringe. Wait, I think she come back. Girl, get out. Oh my goodness. Hi guys. I know how to fight. You don't have to work on me. Yeah, this slime there. Very good. Oops, I broke it. I hope you don't mind that I broke it. Where's my senpai? Do you know who my senpai is? It's very cringe, but I don't care. Girl, that was not heard about. That was not me. That was someone else. It was not me. I hope you guys knew that. Awkward. Gumball. Oh, that was not. I don't like them. Like, I'm emo. Yeah. Playing with my feelings. Yeah. I don't like when I have feelings for someone. I'm just playing. That's somebody else. I'm not that. I'm not emo purple. I'm just normal. It's all off. Emo girl. All I want is an emo girl. Yo. Emo girl. All I want is an emo girl. Yeah. Okay, let's put this one up. This one is F5. Yeah, hopefully that senpai, whatever her name is, girl, don't come back in here. Oh my goodness, girl. Y'all, she coming back. Guys, yeah, peace. I gotta go. I forgot what I was gonna say the first time. Bye. Okay, I'm back. She's a bad bitch. Duh. Well, I don't mean. I don't wanna, yeah. I'm looking for a yellow long hair sport. Big and his come get in my car. My party don't stop. Oh. Looking for a yellow long hair star. In the hips come get in my car. I'm so sad. I'm depressed. Oh, my head itch. Oh, chill. Right, y'all. Come here, girl. I want to kiss you. What? Ew. Disgusting. Never. I do not even like you. Yes, you do. Come here, girl. Ew. Never. I don't even like you. I don't even know you. What are you here for anyway? Ew. I'm here for you. Ew. Anyways, girls and boys. Girls are funny. You know you like me. No, I do not. Oh. Ew. Bet. Turn on, come back. Just made me want to throw up. I might throw up. That just made me want to. So I'm thinking about putting these two pinks together. I'm putting them in one of the Easter eggs. Like this Easter eggy. I think if one can fit in here, then two can fit in here. See? And then I can open it anytime I want and just do it. Should I add it, guys? I'm gonna do it. I did it, guys. All because of you guys. I'm so happy I'm confident and brave. I've been wanting to do this for like 3 years now. Let me stop playing. Let's see if it fits. Hopefully it do fit. Some can be at the top. Some can be at the bottom. Oh no, girls, guys, it don't fit. That's fine. Alright, so we have set right here. It's a good set. 2 reds. You can put 2 reds together. Okay. I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good. 4. Okay, good. The top's over there. Now, it's a big slime. It's the first slime. It's big. I hope one day I just gain enough subscribers and stuff, like y'all stick to the bottom with me. Like from the bottom until I'm like up here. I'm pretty sure I'm still be with you guys. Even if I just don't, I just know you guys will always be in my heart. And I'll try to post here and there. But sometimes when I don't post, it's because of school, stuff like that, or family emergencies. But I'm gonna walk you guys through everything, and you guys are gonna be my #1 family for life. I just hope that one day we all just gain. I get to do giveaways and stuff like that. When I'm rich, of course. When I turn rich, if you guys hit the subscribe button, stuff like that. So we have 3 right now. So this can stay how it is, and we're gonna see what color these 2 mix, because this is a mixture of all the slimes. Not like all these slimes that I have right now, but my sister's slime. So we're gonna take a small little piece. See? Small. I know it's medium. It should be medium. Medium piece. Put the top back on so the slime don't dry. Then we'll take another piece. And we're gonna see what color do we mix to, so I can see if I like the color or not. I don't know. It's turning into like a green. Turn into like a yellow, or turn into like an orangey color. Ew, it's brown. Yellow, green, purple equals brown. Should I do it? I'll do it just for y'all. I'll do it. Oh yeah, don't regret it. Even though I'm not gonna regret it. Yeah. That's it, y'all. Ooh. Well, I don't regret it. Even though it looks like this on camera, it's actually gold. Oh my goodness. Golden slime. It's that rich girl slime. Alright, I'm gonna put all the slimes up right before. Alright. That's one container. Split this. Put this in that container. Put the top one there. Put the rest in another container. Oh, that's not split right. It is. Alright, put the top on that. Golden slime. This is like a pink. Get 2 cups. This is my red slime. This pink just stains my floor. And I think the red did too, because it's a little red on it. It's a lot of pink. It's like somebody spilled something. I really like the red and the gold one. And the pink one. Let's split it. Here's my pink line. Last but not least, this color. Oh, we ain't get to play with this color. Let's play with this color. This slime my sister made. It's turquoise. It's a turquoise color. Yeah! Ooh, POV trying to be Kai. Yeah! Yeah! Y'all know them nets, and then you gotta, like, to catch a fish or something. Wanna hang on me? This one. And then we have my turquoise slime. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. For your answer to Y to the A to the H. A banger for your girl. Nice thing. I mean, that's nice. Where did I get that thing from? Oh, that's not funny. Hey girl, nice finger. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And so no post notifications, no fire. I drop a new to the A, to the E, to the G, to the E, to the R, banger, or a P, to the A, to the P, to the R, to the A, to the A, to the A, to the K, to the S, praise. Woo. Bye guys. Peace. I love you.